Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to discard unpublished changes in Confluence. So as you can see, this page right here was published 4 minutes ago. Let's make a small change. Let's click here on edit, and then we'll scroll all the way down here and let's add our name, William Hunter, right here. And you can go ahead and close this. Of course, if you click on update, then it would update to the published version. As you can see, it is saved. Now let's close this and I'll show you how to do this. Now, when you are in this mode right here, we're not in edit mode, okay? Then if you click on these three dots, you will not get the option to revert changes. So make sure you are in the edit mode. As you can see, there are unpublished changes. We want to get rid of that. So first click on edit. And now once you're in the edit mode, as you can see, we have our name right here. Click on these three dots and you will see this option, revert to previous version. So I want you to click on this. And this will basically revert to the last published version, okay? And you'll see all the changes you would be deleting. And then just tap here on revert page. And then, as you can see right here, we are back to how it was. So that is how to discard unpublished changes in Confluence.